Okay, so you're facing all sorts from problems from your water softener. You are not getting soft water and soap scum. White water stains and skin dryness has returned. You're seeing yellowish deposits or sand-like particles in appliances like your dishwasher or coffee maker, and a reddish debris in water with an unusual odor and taste. So you suspect that your resin has gone bad. But how to confirm? Follow this step-by-step process. Step number 1. Separate valve and tank. Begin by disconnecting the bypass valve from the water softener resin tank. It will allow you access to the resin bed for testing. Next, remove O-ring. Take out the center O-ring surrounding the tank's distributor tube. Step number 3. Access resin bed. You must remove the upper basket to access the resin. Gently lift it out. Step number 4. Retrieve resin sample. Collect a resin sample from the middle of the bed using the distributor tube. This area typically represents the most active resin. When using the distributor tube, take your time during extraction. The flat edge of the tube will help capture resin. Slowly remove the resin from the tube. Final step. Test resin texture. Once you have a sample in your hand, assess its texture by squeezing it between your thumb and fingers. If the resin easily crumbles or feels slick when compressed, it indicates bad resin. Swelled up resin also indicates it's bad. If you've got bad resin, here's how to replace it. First, disconnect the softener from the water supply and power source. Next, remove the resin tank's top cover and distributor tube. Carefully scoop out the old resin and clean the tank. Then, add the new resin and reassemble the softener, ensuring proper sealing. Finally, regenerate the system to flush out any fine particles. If your supply water has high iron or chlorine concentration, install pre-filters to prolong resin lifespan. We have a full guide on how to prolong resin lifespan on your website, which I'll link in the description below. Don't forget to like and share the video if you found it useful. Cheers to nice soft water.